All right, this is the Vinci Store 6-inch by 40-foot long black metal corrugated landscaping edging. When this arrives, it arrives just like this. I wanted to show you this before I spread it out in the yard. It is about 7 inches wide, obviously 6 inches tall, and it weighs in at about 9.5 pounds. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are going to be my own. And my opinion is I like landscape edging of all kinds. Right off the bat, when you unwrap this, you know, it's getting ready to flop out on you here, but it looks like it has just been cut to size right here. So this edge right here is kind of sharp, so be careful. You might want to wear some gloves. So I wanted to show you that. You can see here that the top and the bottom are exactly the same. There's a little seam that comes over here. We're looking at some pretty stiff corrugated steel, and according to the company, it is recyclable and made with recyclable materials. I got this one in black, but it comes in a couple of different colors. 0.1 inches thick, if you can see that. It's available in a variety of different widths. I think they have a 4-inch and so forth, and sizes too. And it's flexible. Pretty cool. You can see that it rolls out flat. I actually need 25 foot of this. So I just took a pair of tin snips and cut it off. And then on the outside here, I just folded it over on one of the seams. And I folded that sharp edge on the inside. All kinds of different options with the flexible design. If you wanted to, you could do something circular. You could do a square. So kind of cool. So I'm going to use an edger to install this. You could probably use a flat-bladed shovel or anything. And you might want to get your yard a little wet, you know, and make it easier for you. This edger itself is about, you know, if I were to cut the tip off here, about 4 inches right here. So this is going to work perfect. Basically going to run it along my line right here. And you get the idea. We got this deep enough and soft enough, I should be able to just use a rubber mallet and put this stuff in. Perfect. Another thing you could do if you don't have a rubber mallet or you don't want to go that route, you could use a small piece of 2x4 and a hammer and just lay it on top of there, you know, and tap it down as you go. I just use the rubber mallet, wet ground, worked perfect. So there we go. It was a pretty fast and easy installation. You know, I set myself up for success by making sure that the yard was soft when I did it, and using the edger really made, you know, quite a difference, helped out a lot. I think it looks pretty good. What I like about this is that, you know, not only does it look good, but it's going to be sturdy and perfect for keeping my mulch contained in here. I like it.